Hello guys, just want to walk you through this 2026 Audi RS7. Now this car came in to get a full color change, and what we did on this vehicle, we didn't install vinyl. We installed 3M's latest film, which is a paint protection film. And what this is a color change paint protection film, so it has all the same properties as a PPF, you know, traditionally like the clear films, but this one has color in it. So the actual color of this film is black. Underneath this vehicle, the color was gray. It's like the Nardo gray. And this has the benefits of both color change, giving you a new color, but also has self-healing and protective properties on it. So somebody, let's just say, happens to try to key the car, it's going to protect it. It's not going to go through. It's going to protect it against any small rock chips and scratches, swirls. It has self-healing. So if it does get anything like that, that small, it's going to heal by itself, either with some warm water or just the sun, maybe a little bit of heat. As you can tell, we wrapped all of it. Door handles, the top has a panoramic roof. So we did the back of it. We got the front bumper, side skirts. Again, we said handles. The back, we did remove the emblems on this one and then put them back on. You know, you got the RS7, you got the Audi logo, and what we do is make a template of it before we take it off, double tape it, and put it back on the vehicle. Same thing with the RS7 emblems. Some cool facts about this car. I gotta use my notes real quick. It has a V8 engine, so that's something I wanted to point out, because I don't know if you guys could tell, it's got some huge brake calipers down here. It's got 621 horsepower. It's all-wheel drive. It does 0 to 60 in 3 seconds, and it tops off like around standard limits 155 miles per hour and up to 190 miles per hour. So this is definitely a performance vehicle. It's going to go really fast. This is our customer's second car that we're doing for him. The last one was a BMW 8 Series, and then he sold that and got this one. And the first thing he did was to bring it in to get the tint done, which we did a couple weeks ago. And we couldn't do the PPF that day because we were really busy, so we scheduled him out for 2 weeks and we did the PPF on it. This does have a 10-year durability. This is a 3M film, so it's backed by 10-year durability by 3M. And yeah, if you guys got any questions, let us know. And yeah, we got a great product. One key benefit of this is that, let's just say, opposed to vinyl, one reason that people tend to do PPF instead of vinyl is that if you were to paint this car this color, one, it would probably be really expensive, north of $15,000. And two, let's say you do get a scratch on the paint, it's going to be really hard to match it because you can't really buff matte paint jobs. So it might be in the shop for a couple weeks to get it done. In this case, if something does happen, let's say you scratch a fender, you could just come back, schedule it, and we could replace the fender probably same day, and you'll be back on the road. If there's any questions, reach out to us either by phone or visit our website at ocwraps.com. Thank you.